Welcome to the future of industrial lubrication, powered by India's most advanced oil filtration system from Minimac Systems. Engineered for excellence, Minimac's system removes solid particles, water, sludge, and even dissolved gases. Dirty oil in, crystal clear oil out, giving your lubricant a second life without shutting down the system. Achieve ISO cleanliness codes that meet global OEM standards, prolonging equipment life by up to 60%. With real-time tracking and auto-purging, the system works 24/7, zero manual intervention needed. Every litre of oil reused saves emissions. Our mission? To abate 860 gigagrams of CO2 by 2034. Trusted across power plants, oil and gas, steel plants, mining, cement, pulp and paper plants, and more. This is filtration you can rely on. Minimac, cleaner oil, longer life, greener planet. Visit www.minimacsystems.com today.